Hello and welcome back again to another video. So today's video we take a look at how we can copy effects from one clip to another in Olive 0.2 Alpha. Let's get started. So we got some clips already here, and we also place them on a timeline. So let's go with the first one here. So we just want to apply a little bit kind of a cinematic look to this clip here. So let's go to the node editor. We can also use the add effects from here to apply that little color grading, but this time I want to look at how we can use the node. So let's go to the node editor here, and here's our node tree for the first clip here. So what we can do, go to the add node here and then the color, and we're going to use this little color grading node here to apply a little bit kind of cinematic look to the clips here. So let's get started. So selecting this, simply click and place in between your node tree here, and nothing happened, but we go to the parameter editor and we have the properties here. So let's just increase the contrast like 1.5, and then in the offset we just offset a little bit of green here by negative 0.02, and in the blue channel here we just increase it up by 0.04. So this is the look that we want to have. That now in the exposure, let's leave it like that for now, and in the saturation just want to go up to 130, and later we can fix this. So just to copy this effects first, so let's go. There's no way we can copy the effects right from the parameter editor here. So what you can do is go to the node tree, and here is the little color grading node here. So right click, selecting it, right click, and you copy. Now once you have that, you can move to your next clip. So this is the original here, and now let's apply this little node color grading to this. So let's just right click in the node editor here and then paste and simply drop it in. So you can see that we have this little color grading thing applied to the video clip. So let's go to the next one. So let's do the same. Simply, you already copied, so simply paste it and drop it in between the node tree. Let's go to the next one. So this is the original here, and then we place in our little color grading node here in, and then let's go to the next one. So let's do the same, right click, paste, and then place it into the node tree. Let's go to the next one here. So we are applying the same effects to all the clips here, and then later on if you want to change, edit it again, it's up to you. So here's the effect that's been applied to all these clips here. So let's go back to the first one. Since too bright and also the color is vibrant here, let's select this, and you can go to the parameter editor again, and now you can change anything. Like let's go down to 90. Let's look okay, and let's go to the next one here. This one is okay. Let's just bring this one back a little bit, so 120 maybe. Yep. And then let's go to the next one. So you can do that. You apply the same effects, and then you can adjust the individual effects according to the likings that you want. Thank you again, and that's all for this video, and thank you to those who have subscribed to our channel. Thank you for your support. See you back again in another video.